Qualcomm maintains its habit of using state-of-the-art manufacturing for its mobile processors. The chip designer has confirmed that his next-star mobile platform will include a system-on-a-chip built using a faster and more efficient 7nm process. You will not hear details about the chip until the fourth quarter of the year, but it will work very well with the Snapdragon X50 5G modem, conveniently, just in time for the arrival of the first 5G mobile networks. If the history is an indication, you probably will not see the widespread adoption of the 7nm chip until early 2019, when Android phone makers rush to include it in their latest flagship devices. This is not a surprising revelation. Rumors have revolved for months that Qualcomm would make the leap, and architecture intellectuals at ARM said their late 2018 design was intended for 7nm hardware. It is also rumored that Apple is using 7nm processors in new iPhones. The densest and most powerful process is approaching, and it could be only a matter of weeks before the first examples reach your hands.